Yo, what's up guys, Beats here, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be reviewing BoostMasterLin EQT Support 9317 Boost Turbo Red colorway. So today I'll be showing you guys what the EQT Support 9317 Boost from BoostMasterLin will look like. So this is the 300 yuan, which is the higher end reps from BoostMasterLin. I'll be showing you how they look, how they fit, how their boost is like, what material they have, and everything whatsoever, in order for you to see if you want to get a pair for yourself. Yeah. Okay, so what I'll start off is with the box. You can see, as I've shown you, it says US size 10. Cause I'm a size 10, I go for true to size. If you're a size 10, make sure you go true to size. Okay. Box came in very good condition and all, and especially the shoe, of course, which I'll show you now. So this is the EQT 9317 Boost by BoostMasterLin. This is how it comes. It comes with the tag, which I can show you. The tags. These are all the tags that it came with. And of course, whatever the sizing, material, what material it came with and all, and of course the sizing tag. Yeah, so this is the shoe. So what I'll get to you first is of course the boost. Especially BoostMasterLin is known for their cheap, reliable boost, which is 100% BASF boost, and the cheapest you can get in the market for reps. The boost is really soft. I could say it's exactly the same as BASF boost, the authentic pair or whatnot. You can see the bottom, there's the nipples and all. Really soft, and you can see the pattern of the boost. It's very close. The nipples on the boost, you can see. I could say this for a wrap, it's very close. Yep. And I'll get on to you with the prime knit they have. Okay, hold on, yep. Okay, this is the prime knit they offer. I could say also it's very close. It stretches, it's very comfortable. And on the side, the inside, which is the suede, where the suede is, you can see it's actual suede. Hold on. The pattern changes every time you move, or like you swipe up and down. I don't know if you can tell from the camera, but yeah. Okay, let me see. Yeah, you can see it changes pattern every time you do a swipe. Very good material. And for the mesh, you can see, nothing to say about this. It's the same. Yep. And you can see at the front of the lace, it says EQT. This is a very nice leather material, if I'm not wrong. You can see the inside. It says equipment. Overall, I could say for 300 yuan, it's a very good rep. I would recommend, if you can't find any of your size, or you can't afford the expensive one or the authentic one, I would recommend BoostMasterLin's. They offer the best reps you can get for the price, which is 300 yuan only. I could say 300 yuan is about $50 US. So now I will get on to the on feet and see how it looks like.
Jack, put it in pocket till I get back. Going downtown, see a man, and I ain't got time. Shake your head, hit that jive, Jack. Put it in pocket till I get back.
So from my overall perspective of this shoe, this wrap is very good. You can see the Boost is very responsive from the on feet. It's very good, very nice. I could say this is one of the best wrap you can ever get for such a cheap price. For the size, if you are planning to get a pair, I recommend going for half size up or true to size if you feel comfortable. This fits true to size for me. I went for size 10. It's size 10. Yep. Other than that, nothing else. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.